You'll never see the parts that keep the world moving. They're inside trains, power plants, and compressors across 12 countries. Many are made in Nashik, where precision lives not in pieces, but in containers.
Always dad used to tell me, I still remember, like, we need to have containers which have to go through the shop, Every day there has to be one container and it has to be exported.
It began in 1979, a small workshop in Mumbai, powered by a single belt. In 1982, the family moved to Nashik to build something bigger. Nikhil was 8.
My parents never forced me, even as my father, he never told me, you need to come to a manufacturing shop and work in a shop floor. He's given me freedom of thought. I closed down 2 businesses, and he never told me, it's a failure for you, you should have done this.
He bet on CNC machines, rare in India then. The first arrived before he could even afford the import duty. It had to earn its place through exports. For 2 years, nothing came.
One of my customers said, why don't you export to me directly? And I jumped into it.
That one yes became 12 countries, 4 plants, with a 5th rising in Dindori and A category components riding on India's own Vande Bharat.
If someone tells me this is made in Germany, we make the same products out here on the same machines, at the same quality levels, with the same measuring instruments, and we supply to them.
Beside him since 2003 is his wife Priya, the force behind the systems that keep the business moving.
She's brought a lot of value to this company, and she's brought a lot of discipline to the company.
His vision has always been a few decades beyond what we are.
He built capability. Leading Ambad Manufacturers Association and later NEMA, he trained 80 export managers, shortening the journey he once had to make alone. Today, Panchal Engineers is built on precision and trusted worldwide. Customers in 12 countries. 40% of the business comes from exports.
It will be a global company in the next 5 years.
A father who dreamed of 1 container a day. A son counting 30 a month.